Hello and welcome back to The Christmas Couple. This is building the dream house. Now the foundation is done. We can show you what we expect this lower level to look like. This is D. He is our builder and contractor and we adore him. He's amazing. Andrew's dad sent him his drone from Texas, so he was able to get out there with some awesome shots of the house. He would like me to put in here that he's just practicing with it, although I think he's doing a great job. We are gonna take you room to room and let you know some of the stuff that we and the Emilys have picked out and give you just a little tidbit about each room. So this is the lowest level of the house and these are the plans laid on top of it so you can kind of understand where each thing is gonna be. I wanna start with the room Andrew has taken the most pride in, his media room. Actually the theater room. The theater hallway is going to be lined with this giant Disney casino mural that Andrew has had commissioned, and he and the artist have been working at refining it for like 2 years now, so it's a huge point of pride. There are going to be spaces for knickknacks, movie memorabilia stuff, as well as a popcorn machine. And that is going to lead into the actual theater, which is where there's going to be 3-tiered seating. The top tier is a high top bar where the hope is that anything other than popcorn will be eaten up here. We're gonna see how long that lasts. Middle tier seating is going to be luxury recliners. My preference is that they have massage function. We're gonna see. The lowest tier is gonna be this huge lounging couch where you can fully lay down. You can lay down, chill, take a nap, relax. The screen itself is 212 inches, going nearly from wall to wall. Massive. Andrew has been working closely with award-winning theater designer Lisa Slayman to do this theater room. We've landed on theming of subtle Disney, meaning golds, royal blues, not in your face, Fab Five, Mickey faces everywhere. Although Andrew did ask Lisa to put in hidden Mickeys throughout the room. And at the end of it, she's gonna tell us how many there are and we're gonna spend time trying to find them. And I'm so excited about that. If we're calling the theater room Andrew's baby, this next one is mine. Here we come, the workout room. Now, this is less workout room, more full fitness center, yoga room, Zen space, really beautiful fixtures, interior design done by the Emilys and Jessica. It is absolutely stunning. It's going to be similar to this AI rendering you're seeing here that Andrew put together. It's not exact, but the idea is there. So we're gonna have a giant mirror wall, floor to ceiling windows looking out into the backyard. I'm gonna have top of the line gym equipment so I can train myself. Andrew and I can run and have beautiful scenery to do that. But also if I wanna pick up clients again and do more personal training, I have a really great space to train them in. There's even gonna be a water station built in, like a water filler. Moving right along into the lower level living room. These doors are gonna lead outside. They slide open. We're gonna have backyard views. They're gonna have that indoor-outdoor living vibe down there for when it's nice out. It's gonna be casual. It's a not overly done space. We're gonna have our big sectional that was in our living room in Texas and is in the basement here at the rental. We're gonna have that down there in the den. We're gonna have a big rug underneath, basic TV hung over the gas fireplace. This is where we're gonna play games, hang out. The kids will have their friends over. Overall, not super designy in this area. Now let's talk about Olivia's bedroom. A lot of design has gone into this over the last year and a half with the Emilys and Olivia, having lots of conversations with her about what she wants her perfect bedroom to look like. Walking into the room, you're gonna have a wall on the left here, lots of low storage for her, custom cabinetry where she can store books and toys, all kinds of stuff, as well as hooks to hang all of her play dresses, her costumes. Going into the bedroom, you see she's going to have a queen size bed with a desk on the left here, nightstand on the right, as well as these really adorable sun, moon, and star ottomans on the foot of her bed. Directly across from the bed will be the entrance to what we're calling the Narnia room. Though it's not actually Chronicles of Narnia themed, we are calling that because she will have a giant custom wardrobe with a faux back wall situation that's gonna open up into the secret room, which we will show you soon. Olivia really expressed that she wanted a canopy bed. The Emilys put this together here so that Olivia could approve colors, design choices, and one of Olivia's requests was that she have a cloud light in her room, which they are accommodating, and a rainbow rug, which they have found a really subtle, cute one that will age up with her. She also asked for a swinging chair in the Narnia room, which they have also accommodated. For Olivia's bathroom, we wanted it just to be able to age up with her as well. Fun and whimsical elements of it for younger version, but also it can age into teenagehood and beyond with her, where it's modern and luxurious. Doesn't feel like a little girl space all the time. She will have a vanity where she can do hair and makeup. The bathroom leans heavily into really lovely pinks and golds. We debated a long time as to whether or not we wanted to do shower tub combos in the kids' rooms or separate them. And in the end, for space and just practicality, we did the combo. If she ever wants to come up into the master bathroom, this goes for Jack as well. When they want a nice, fancy soak in the tub, they can come use ours. And as Jack will not even be 2 by the time that we're moving into our forever home, his room is definitely more simple. We have a rug that the Emily's found for him that we're putting in there that's, again, gonna age with him. It's really cute. Other than that, it's gonna be his nursery that we have here and that we had at the house in Texas. Those big pieces coming in, and as he ages, we'll kind of gather other things and bring them in. That being said, he also has his own wardrobe space that enters into the Narnia room. Jack's bathroom is much less grandiose than Olivia's. Kept it simple with some masculine touches without beating you over the head with it. A brushed nickel look overall, and he's just not old enough to make requests, so we kept it pretty bare bones and he can add to it as he ages and decides what he likes. Last but certainly not least is the room Olivia's looking forward to the most, the Narnia room. It includes an actual slide that winds down from the upper level as another entrance into it if you're not coming from either of the kids' bedrooms. This is the rendering of it, and I don't think we're actually gonna do table and chairs, but the rest is pretty accurate. This is a private play space for them to enjoy together, bring their friends, somewhere cool where they can have quiet time, read a book, just have some space together and use their imaginations and explore, and it's so cute. And that, folks, is what we have so far. Dee has given us a very rough estimate of completion as possibly May of this upcoming year, knowing that there's always a little wiggle room for it may take longer. We're gonna roll with it. But if that's it, it's 9 months away, so it's coming up quickly, but there is still lots to do. We're feeling incredibly blessed, excited, and just feel really privileged that we're able to share this journey with you guys. First time we've ever built a home, so it's a lot. It's really exciting. Stick around, please, like and subscribe, and come with us on the rest of this house building journey. Bye guys, thanks.